Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to check for updates, so you need to open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and you need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software. So you need to tap at this line, but you need to enter into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. Then tap at this line, and if you enter inside of it, it means that you have some update and you need to update. If you have only this information, it means that you have the latest version and you haven't new update. Now, if the update didn't help you, or maybe you haven't new update, like me, next step is to place your earphones to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update, and after 15 seconds you just open the charging case and then check is it fixed. Now, if these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case this time. Inside of the case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side starts blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white, it means that enter to panic mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!